Hi guys, my name is Naveed from 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 and today I'm going to explain you how you guys can create a WordPress website easily using drag and drop, just like this. To create a website, we need two things. Number one is the domain name and the second is the hosting. Domain name is the name for your business like www.youtube.com or www.yourcompany.name, and hosting is the place where all the backend files has been stored. So let's start creating a website step by step. First step will be buying a domain and the hosting. So today I'm going to choose Hostinger for that. Just navigate to the Google and type Hostinger and press search. Click on hostinger.com. Then we have to type our domain name. I already select my domain name. I just paste it and click on search. Then you can see that the Hostinger will provide me with the list. Then click on make it yours. And now there are the two hosting plans. So it's up to you which hosting plan do you want to take. Hostinger will give us both of the options, like to create 25 websites or 50 websites, and all the options are there. So I will go for the business bundle. Then it will take us to the payment page. You can double check all the information and then click on continue. Now we have to create an account with Hostinger. So I will just choose Google and select my email address and then continue. Now it will ask me for the payment details and my personal details. After filling out all the information, just click on continue. Then it will ask you for the payment method. Select your required payment method. As I go with the debit or credit card, so you can select it according to your requirement. Then it will ask for the bank verification. I will just log in into my bank app and then allow this transaction. After adding all the information and the payment method, it says all done. Let's go, we are ready to start. And then it will take us to this page where we are going to create our website. So I will just select myself or for my business, then click on next. And then it will ask you like, do you want to create a new website or migrate a website? You will hire someone. So in our case, I'm just going to click on create a website and then click on next. Now they're asking like whether I go for WordPress or Hostinger Builder. So I will choose WordPress for that. Now at this page, we are going to set the login detail for our WordPress login. So just make sure that remember this email or the username and the password. Now they are asking me like create a website with AI or pre-built WordPress themes. So I will go for pre-built websites and themes. Hostinger is giving me different options for themes and plugins. So I will use theme 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 for that. Click on next. They will ask for the recommended plugins. I will just click on do not install plugins, then click on next. Now we are going to connect our domain with Hostinger. In this step, we have to register our domain name. So select your country. If you are a person, company or organization, then click on next. Now you have to enter all your information, name, email, phone number, address, so that in future the domain will be your property. After filling out all the information, just click on finish registration, and now domain is registering. Now they are asking to select our target audience or the data center. So in my case, I'm going to select France and click on install WordPress. Now they are installing WordPress. The WordPress has been installed, and this is the dashboard for your WordPress admin panel. So as you can see that our domain is not connected with our hosting. So let's click connect on Edge panel. It will take us back to this page. So our email is not registered. I will open up my Gmail and then click on verify email. Now I will come back to my Hostinger panel and just click on refresh. Now we have to go to the websites at the left hand of our screen and click on website list. Just click on WP admin. It will bring us back to our WordPress dashboard. As you can see that our domain is active and connected with the hosting as well. Now let's visit our website and see how it looks. So at this start, our website will look something like this. So let's click on get started with starter templates. Now it will take us to this page where we can see that there are multiple themes pre-built themes are there. We can choose according to our business nature. For majority of the businesses, the pre-built themes are already there. As our business is for transport, so I will select the business transport, and now they will give me multiple themes for the different nature of the transport businesses. I will select the theme according to my requirement, which is limo rental agency. After selecting the theme, it will take us to this page where we can upload our logo, choose the color scheme, but right now I did not have any logo or color scheme, so I will just click on continue. Now they ask for the some additional features. Just click on next. I understand. Submit building. As you can see that it's written congratulations on the screen. That means our pre-built theme has been installed on our domain name. Now I will just copy the domain name and paste it in a new tab. So now here it is, the new look, or you can say the pre-built theme has been installed on our domain name. So that's how our website looks like. Now we have to make some necessary changes according to our requirements. For that, we have to go to the dashboard again, then into pages, all pages. So here is the list of all the pages. So I have to edit home page. For that, I will click on edit with Elementor and then open it in a new tab. So here is the look for the Elementor, or the backend of the website from where you can edit your home page. So if you want to change the text like we rent limousine, obviously this is not our business, so I will edit it to according to our requirements. Let's say we provide. So if you want to change the text or the style, just click on style and then click on telegraphy and then size. From here you can change and adjust the size of the font. Now this is the subheading or the text I'm going to edit. So just click on it. So again on the left hand side of the screen you will see the content. So you can easily edit your content from here. So in the subheading I will say best airport transfer at all major airports. Then I will scroll down. Prices, again if I have to edit the prices, I will click on the price, and in the left hand of the screen I will easily edit this. So I will make it $250 per hour. For the second vehicle, again I will make it $250. So if you want to change the color of the text, just click on style, and then at the bottom you will see text color. Select any color you want according to your requirement. Again, if you want to change, increase or decrease the size, you can do it from here, from the telegraphy section. You can select the font from there, all the things from your telegraphy section. Now let's add a link. For example, I click on read more, it's open on the left hand of the screen, but as you can see that there is just a hash sign, no link has been attached with this button. So let's make this button clickable. Let's go to the about us page. I will just copy the URL and then paste at the back end. There is some unnecessary text, which is the built-in text for multiple themes, so I just remove it from here. Now we have to edit the phone number. Again I will click on the number, and again in the left hand of the screen you will see we can edit the number. I will enter my phone number here. So if you want someone clicks on your phone, and especially on your mobile phone, it will take them automatically to their dial pad. For that we have to attach a link. As you can see that on the left hand of the screen there is a link option. So I will add a link which is click on publish all the time, because if you did not click on publish, all the work you have done will be wasted. Now in the next step we are going to edit our footer. We will go to the dashboard again, then click on appearance, then customization, then select footer. Now click on widget 1 and you will find these options for your address and for your email. So now let me guide you how you guys can free business emails with your domain name. I will go to Hostinger again, click on emails and then start free. Select your domain, start free trial, info at, and then it will be your domain name. Then select the password. for your email and click on create. Now I will just copy the domain name and paste it into the footer. Now if you want that someone clicks on your email, their email box automatically will be open. For that we will click on link sign right here, and then it will automatically, there will be a link for email, and then we will change the address, like whatever address you want to add, you can add your address here. I will just type ABC London. Again I will change my phone number right here. After making all the changes, I will click on publish, so all my changes will be saved. Now we are going to change the main background image where you can see a guy with a phone. Let's change this image. For that we have to click on the 6 dot icons. When you click on that, again on the left hand of the screen there will be a tab open from where we can change this image. So again we have to go to the styles, and in background option you will see this image easily. So we just click on this image and now it will take us to this media page. Click on select file, so you can upload the file from your desktop or from your laptop. So you can select the picture which you want to add on your background and then click on select, and now you can see that the image has been changed at the background. Again we will click on published, so all the changes which we have done will be saved. Let's have a live look of our website, how it looks like. As you guys can see, the main background image has been changed, like the prices are also be changed. If we scroll down to the phone number section, you can see that the phone number has been changed as well, the email has been changed, and also the address is changed to ABC London, and also the phone number at the very footer is also be changed. So now let's change this menu. As you can see that the menu does not look nice. There is about us, about us, about us 3 times, same home, same services. So for that we have to go to the dashboard again, go to appearance, then menu. You can find the multiple menus, like this one is for the footer menu. So I will select the main primary menu and click on select. As you can see that there are multiple pages. This one is our home page. So I will remove all the other unnecessary pages. And then click on save menu. Now again let's visit our website again, and now you can see that it's already has been changed. Now the phone number at the header is still the old or the dummy phone number. So if you want to change this as well, again we have to go to the dashboard, click on customize. It will take us to this page. Let's click on header. Here we can add our number again. If you want to add a link, just copy the number from here and click on publish, and you can see that on the live it's changed here as well. If you want to change your logo, if you already have a logo, you can remove here and select your logo, but in our case I don't have a logo, so I will just go with this one. And now again, if we right now you can see that we still have the old phone number, but when I click on refresh, so the new phone number has been updated. You guys can check all the pages of the website, and whichever section you want to change, you can change the way I have done on the home page. Step by step, check all the pages, edit according to your requirement. I hope so that you have quite enough knowledge now how to create a WordPress website from the scratch. So that's it guys. This is the basic tutorial for the website development in WordPress. If you want to learn advanced website development in WordPress or e-commerce, join our courses at TSS Institute. Link is given in the description. And if you have any questions or queries, leave a comment below. And also if you like the video, please hit like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.